Do some bicycling.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, bro, that shit looks fun.
It's cool riding bike over here, but I'm more excited to take it to Florida. Ain't really too much
Hey,
over here. Take it to Florida, ride it on the beach, go somewhere.
I-
All right, we gotta get right on into it. Let me send this link. By the looks of it, I'm ideally going to be looking for a potential London continuation today, and I'm going to be explaining why. First things first, we're going to get the previous day's high, previous day's low. Previous day's high, previous day's low has already been ran through. Next thing, I'm going to get the Asian session range. We have another gap. No 18 o'clock again. Interesting. Got the Asian session range. Then we got the 12 a.m. open right here. So as you can see, we're currently trading above it. We just cleared this Asian sessions high. So that's something I'm going to be keeping in mind. Previous day's low has already been cleared. Asian session high and low has been cleared. And the low of the day was created at 4:30 in the morning after having this false break scenario right here. So this could potentially be the low of the day. If this is the low of the day, I'm going to be looking for a potential continuation using this low right here. But I'm also got to keep in mind the previous day's high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a fib from this high to this low. I'm going to see if there's a potential fib setup playing out. And it looks like it almost is. So this is something to keep in mind. Yesterday was a bearish day, so this could be a potential short setup. And we are coming into this hour order block also. So right all in here, have this bearish 1 hour order block.
Pretty big.
It's a pretty wide one. Let's refine it, get the 50% of it. Boom. 50% of it. Let's look at where we are in price. We have 33,200, which is more than likely where I'll try to go short if price gives me the willingness to. But ideally, I'm going to be using the first half of the order block. If it goes any higher, then after that, I probably won't really be looking for it to go short. I give it to 33,270 at least. If it starts going past that, probably going to go higher. I don't know if I want to take a short or wait for a potential long. Since yesterday was majorly bearish, I might look for a potential short just to stick with the trend. If I go short from 33,200 in anticipation of it falling, with maybe 100-point stop loss, targeting the previous day's lows, 380 points, targeting this order block right here at the 50% of the Asian range, 220. So I think that would be a pretty good risk reward. Let me mark up NAS 100 first to see if I see any similar setups. Mark up previous day's high, previous day's low. Yeah, we got the 18 o'clock over here. I don't know why I don't got it on US 30. Boom, boom. Matter of fact, almost forgot to send the link. Get the Asian session range and then get the 12 a.m. open. Boom. Gonna use this previous day's high up here along with this low that we have down here, so like US 30. Pull the fib, see for potentially coming into a fib short for potential retracement. In this case, we didn't tap into it yet, but we are coming into it. Let's go to that hour time frame. We do have that order block, 30-minute, 4-hour. Oh no, next one is not as clear as US 30. We have 13,200 right below the fib short, so price might not even try to tap into the level. I don't know, it's not as clear as US 30. We have 13,300 up here. I don't know. Part of me would rather go for a short today. Like I said, if I do, I think 33,200 is going to be a good one. Let me check the 4-hour. How's the 4-hour looking? Everything's pretty bullish right now. Yeah, we are coming into this 1-hour order block though. We'll see. I think 33,200 is gonna be where I try to go short at with 100 pip stop loss. Anticipation that price is either gonna have a retracement to potentially have a retracement to go higher, or it's just gonna have an overall reversal. So I think the short case scenario is gonna be better. Also, since I'm above the 12 a.m. open, so majority are gonna be the best case scenarios are gonna be short trades. So I think that's what's gonna happen. We'll see if we can get to 33,200 without falling beforehand, because that was
Targeting London low.
yeah, ideally targeting the London low in a reversal setup, but if it's to end up being continuation, I'm going to be using the fib, but I have to wait for price to slowly start to fall first to draw the fib.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what my anticipation is right now. I don't know if it's going to be a full reversal, but ideally I say if we can target, I don't know, it kind of depends where this fib is. If price say doesn't drop from here, I think previous day's low could be a good target then. If price doesn't go any higher, if it comes higher than the fib, I'll move a little higher and it'll slowly get better. But as of right now, not too clean. Oh, not too clear.
A 1 to 3.5 setup.
Yeah, the risk rewards there. Yeah, we're rejecting this 62% right now. Let's see if we're gonna be able to get a little push. And that still has some room to go up, so we might get that bullishness at the open potentially. We will see. But yeah, ideally 33,200 is where I'm gonna be looking to get into a trade at. Yesterday's episode 107. Today's 105. It's today the 15th. Yes, alright, but yeah, this is my little trade that I'm looking for right here. If you want more, you can say anything. I'm just going to the bathroom real quick. You can talk to them. You can think of your things. So.
All right. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Only thing that I see what Andre's looking at previous day, high to low fibs, doing everything. Only thing is on Nas, I believe yeah, they're creating this like bullish push here at the open, bullish engulfing candle, but time of day 6:17. We got about 13 minutes left until the open. I think there's gonna honestly above the 12 a.m. open. I think target the previous day low, which would give a 1 to 3 setup. 100-point stop loss, entering at about the 200, 202 level, 205, maybe 214. And then as soon as that pops up, 100-point stop. Or at least a 300 so it could minimize that stop. I'm looking at US 30 as I say that. Now I'm looking at NOS 100. I have both charts up on one screen, so I'm just kind of looking. I'm only gonna take one trade today. The cleaner setup looks like minute chart. Oh. It's almost there. It just needs a little push. So that's where the patience comes in, because that little push is actually 75 points. That ain't nothing small. So we're being precise with our entries. We know exactly the price we want to enter. Exactly where on the chart we're gonna be hitting the button. We know exactly what the risk to the reward is, where we're targeting the TP, take profit. We know exactly what price we're gonna move stop loss to break even. Which would be around the 33,100 price level for US 30. As soon as price drips 100 points from the 33,200, moving stop loss from 33,300 down to 33,200. And then I'm going to leave it there until price gets to TP3 at least. I'm thinking it's going to go down to TP4. If the move's there. We got a order block down low, 30-minute, 1 hour. Yeah, the last down candle before the up move. So this is an order block that price needs to come fill. Let's see, that's an hour, 4 hour. I may tap between TP3 and TP4 today, guys. I'm going to be taking out a bigger portion of my position at TP3. And letting a runner run for the rest of the day and just scaling out that last of that remainder, and then moving down my stop loss depending on how price reacts. I'd love to see a TP4 get smacked today. Waiting for price, some momentum, some volume can come in. We know what time that happens. Being patient in the meantime. If you don't know what time that is, that's the New York Stock Exchange Open, which is 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Mountain Standard Time at 6:30. That's my time. But we have the game plan. We have the move here. Nothing to be scared of. Why? It's calculated risk. I'm risking a 0.5 lot instead of a 1 lot. 2% or 1% risk today, guys. 100 points, 1 trade. You just gotta wait for price to go up a little bit. Because TP4 is the 800 level, so that would be perfect to target for TP, to scale out TP4. Yeah, so that's, just being patient right now, guys. And gals, if there's ladies watching.
Bro, there's like maybe one if we're lucky. My analytics for YouTube is like 99%, man. Matter of fact, I could check. It is. My audience is 96% men.
Okay, okay.
For 3.2% female. And
I'm
that's
not
if.
even a whole 4% or a
Nah,
whole number.
nope.
Dang.
So like 0.8 of a person, I guess.
Midget. No, no, guys, I'm just kidding. If you guys are getting sensitive, I'm just kidding.
For 7 days. Yeah, it was Nas doing. Yeah, they're starting to reject. I don't know.
Yeah.
Price is either just gonna drop at this open, and I might not get this ideal entry. We'll see.
Trending day. Would it be considered a trending day?
Not if it keeps falling.
No, because London pumped, so then trending day would just be a continuation from here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense.
No news today either.
Uh,
We'll see if there's any volume, man.
Oh yeah, low just got taken.
Yeah, we're getting this rejection at 30. We missed this level by a few points. I don't know. We're missing levels by a few points, which is not what I like to see. Yeah, we're getting engulfing now in the 15. US 30. I don't know. It could keep falling. I don't know how I feel about taking it. I'm gonna wait for it to close, see what it looks like at the open.
Yeah, dude, I gotta wait. I don't want to take any extra riskier trades, especially when I got like 4.5% left.
70, goddamn.
No risk, no reward, but make sure it's safe. Oh man, that 1 hour chart.
Yeah, 1 hour is a nice little rejection.
Yo, that might have. That sucks.
Let's see how price reacts after we break this low. If we keep going lower from here, I look for potential retracement. But that's if it does what I want to see. We will see. Three more minutes until the open.
Damn, it's at 33,100, not the big figure level. I gotta get on a bit, cause dude, price gravitates towards those big figure levels, man. Every time I get smacked hard is when I enter in between a range of a big figure level.
It's bank levels.
I'm not that fast yet with those experiences, so I'm gonna accumulate these experiences. But I noticed that I get smacked hard when I'm not entering at a big fig.
Alright, I think it still has room to go up. They didn't break this low. So it could just keep trending. This short-term trend to get to where I want to see it. And it's at the open, so if we close on this 5-minute with a rejection bullish, then the likelihood of that being having a push at the open is going to be pretty likely.
Nice.
Just got to see how it closes, but for noise moving right now, looks pretty good to keep on pushing when it opens.
Hey, everybody's looking for short. See.
Let me get my phone out. Get out my pocket. Get out my pocket. Let me charge my phone. We'll see how these shorts go. All right, we got the open now. See if price can come where we want it to.
Moving. That's a good sign.
All right, we about to come on into it. 5. Whoa. What's Nas looking like? Nas has so much room to upside. That's my only thing.
Almost there.
That's right there, my boy. Don't miss the big figure level now. Come on. And I'm going short.
Oh.
I got it like right here. Let's see what happens.
Position. Oh, that would have been nice entry. We just have waited. 2, 3, 2. Oh.
Let's see. Oh, worst comes to worst, I lose only 0.5%. I don't risk a lot on these setups. If it just keeps pushing past here and his stop loss, I probably won't look for any re-entries unless it really starts rejecting crazy.
Damn, my boy, this needs to reverse.
Yeah, it's looking like it wants a trend right now.
Damn.
Whoa. Yeah, Nas still didn't even make it to where I wanted it to. We'll see if it doesn't reject this 50%, then I'd rather be out than in. Yeah. This is why I only risk 0.5% on these reversal setups. You never know where they're gonna start to reverse that. Yeah, higher time frames looking real bullish, but No, I would not be buying anywhere where I am right now. See how price reacts to this 13,200 level on NAS 100.
Short a sticky note though. Only risk 0.5 on reversal setups, risk 1% on continuation setups.
Sir.
In front of my face for tomorrow.
That's because it's my better setup. Just because it's mine doesn't necessarily mean it's your better setup. You gotta figure out what works for you.
It makes sense, man. It's higher risk, you know.
Still, but I do that because I know when my certain setups are worth higher risk. Do you? That's the real question. Like, do you know why I risk less on these? Like, because I might do something, but just because it works for me doesn't mean it's always going to work for you. So you got to keep that in mind.
Well, when you continuation, you've done your back testing so much. I'm assuming the continuation setups have a higher probability of playing out compared to reversal setups. But I think you still trade reversal setups because I think in one of your videos you said that if you catch a reversal setup, you can catch a big move, but the risk is higher to on an entry. I forgot, man. You can tell me again.
Nah, it is like that. You basically got it. It's basically the same thing.
Damn, dude, come on, just drip.
It's rejecting, but it could just stop me out before it ends up falling.
That was a good trade yesterday where you exited at the top.
No, I didn't exit at the top. I was, but that's where the ideal target would have been.
2%? Did you catch a 2%
yesterday? Yeah, for the day. Kind of for the day. I took a small loss. I was at 1.8, but the trade was 2%.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Just a waiting game at this point. Is NAS rejecting? Yeah. Hopefully, if NAS holds 13,200, we should keep falling from here, but only time will tell.
Put a candle on.
Shit, I would. My lighter's too damn small to get to the bottom of that candle.
Oh, dude, I ended up because I'm not putting up my photos anymore of the books I've read. I ended up just buying a photo album. So it's kind of like my library.
That's good. I have like a one online that I used to do. I don't really do it no more. Oh, man. Rejecting this 30-minute order block right now.
State of Arizona businesses, liability, and risk information notification. Once you register your business entity, bro, you're going to get a lot of just mail, which is the good stuff, bro. This one right here is about this other piece of paper is about run payroll, and you can do like your taxes, next day direct deposit, and this one's about like insurances and stuff. But I say that's bullshit until the money starts coming.
I feel you. Come on, you sturdy fam. NAS is rejecting. Why can't you?
Well, NAS kind of been setting the pace the last week or two, so hopefully there's no rejections on NAS.
Nah, hopefully this is a rejection. Oh yeah, bullish rejection. Hopefully it stays from here, but I don't like how it misses these areas. Misses 62. Came to the big figure level though. Looks like we're gonna try to close below the big figure level on the 15-minute. Hopefully, we got 6 minutes. I would like for it to close below. these higher time frames on the weekly, I'm overall gonna be bullish this week. Haven't had any good bullish days. We can get a reversal today and start to trend back higher tomorrow. I think that's gonna be good because we got news the rest of the week. It'll be good to get this push.
Cut up my credit card yesterday, but I left the numbers that when I take MO challenge, I have the numbers, but I'm not spending crazy out and about.
Yeah, I paid off some of mine yesterday too because I had to pay off that bike I bought. I feel like having that in my balance.
Yeah. It's a cool little bike, bro. I was like, oh shit, you gonna be fucking sooner or later doing some wheelies and shit.
No cap, especially because it's nicer. I was riding that shit in the snow. Glad it's slightly warmer. Today's gonna be like 66. Yeah, 68 tomorrow, 70 Wednesday, 73 Friday. That's the weather I can enjoy. Right now it's fucking 47. It's not freezing, but it's not warm. Goddamn, fam. Come on, in. Just follow. Follow. You're that one actually in this fib short with the more confirmations. You're failing to reject as much as the pair with less confirmations. That's nice. Yeah, I don't know. See how this 15-minute candle closes. But right now, everything's looking real bullish. I want it to close below 33,200. That's what will give me a good confirmation that it'll keep falling. Anything else just could keep pushing to stop me out and then come back lower. It's only a matter of time how Nas is moving. Don't get too happy. But yeah, it's good to get a vacation. I'm thinking about going to Miami one of these days. Not Miami. I might go to Tampa because I might be looking at apartments in April. So I might go for like 4 days. Yes, sir. All right, we're getting engulfing now. So right before we close, that's what I like to say. Facts. I can't write it off yet, but in the future, definitely. You gotta hire. I'm pretty sure you gotta have like CPAs and shit for them to write it off. I don't think you can write shit off yourself. Yeah, as long as I say it's a business meeting, I can write it off. Yeah, I'm good with my taxes. It's just more or less, I'm saying I need that person, like you're saying, because I can't do it myself. Yeah. If I learned how to do my taxes and charge people for that, oh man, I'd be a menace. Be a menace. 'Cause like when you trade and stuff, you could write off your apartment, all that, because it's technically like your workspace. Write off your phones if you trade off from your computers. microphone if you make YouTube videos. As long as it's like a business expense, you can write it off. It's not like you're not paying for it, but you won't get taxed as much. There we go. We're at least falling now. We're about to hit TP1. Once we clear this low, I'm gonna say TP1 got hit, and now break even at that point. I knew it was a matter of time, but now what we gotta be paying attention to is for potential continuation. So we got these fib settings, fib levels all the way down here. Which will be ideal to get out. So if we can get all the way down there, that's a 1 to 3.7. That's perfectly fine by me. Hopefully we can get down there in a timely manner at least. Like within 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Because I ain't trying to be here hour and a half at TP1. You can only write off the portion of your apartment that is used as office space. Yeah, but for me personally, I'm not gonna have a 3-bedroom apartment. If I have like a studio or 1 bedroom, I'm gonna just have a bed. The majority of my apartment is gonna be a workspace anyway, because I plan on doing a podcast and all that. Yeah, I figured you couldn't write off every single thing, but me personally, I'll be able to do it for the first year or two I'm in Miami, because I don't got enough money to have a 2-bedroom. That's just like 3,500, 4,000 a month. Cheap, man. Yeah, but it reversed. I had like a retracement, so I'm not gonna say it got hit yet. I like to see it run through. About 5 points away. Alright, we hit TP1 now. I actually hit it. Patience. See, that's a great stop loss right there. See how I used the 50% and I mitigated it? Look how, because mind you, this is only half of the hour order block. The original hour order block is all the way up here. This whole thing, but I mitigated it, and look how it came right to the half point. All right, let's see how we start reacting after clearing this low. Hopefully we don't start to retrace, because I'm trying to stay at break even, ideally. But I'm not going to break even yet, but if price comes all the way back and tries to stop me out, I won't be allowing it to break me even, if you get what I'm saying. But I'm going to leave it there just in case we have a retracement, because we got in at that 33,200 level, so we can easily have a retracement and reject off it again. So that's something I'm keeping in mind. But I use MetaTrader 5, so I have the stop loss at break even. I just have to press continue, and that's really it. All right, NAS is about to keep falling. Where's NAS going to come down to potentially? Yeah, we still got a good way. Hopefully it doesn't reject the 38.20%. I ideally want it to come all the way down to these lows. And if not, I want it to come even lower. Best case scenario. Yeah, that would be ideal. Just gotta get what the market gives you, though. He, who? I don't remember. I don't know how much he weighed. Ugh. Nah, that's what's up. Shit, I never had a problem with losing weight. I never had a problem with gaining weight. That's my problem. I feel like losing weight's way easier. than gaining. Cause at least you could turn the fat into muscle. I have to fucking turn nothing into fat. Yeah, I don't really smoke every day. The only thing I smoke every day is probably CBD. That's really it. I smoke weed like once a week, but I don't smoke it all at once. I let it like one dime or gram. I can last 3 days. So it might seem like I smoke a lot to other people, but in reality, that's for $10 and it lasts me fucking 3 days. Mm. Are you good? Yeah, we're getting a retracement. This is why I ain't break even yet. We'll see. Where is price likely to retrace into? I know we could come back to this 33,200 level. Could come all the way back. Yeah. Damn. See, I don't know. It's kind of risky because when it comes back to my entry, it could have the option of going even higher. Mm, we'll see. Have faith in the setup. Came down, cleared this low, coming up, potentially filling these gaps. I think right now it's rejecting the 38.20%. Yeah. Hopefully it continues to reject that and doesn't come higher. Ideal situation. Short term, yes. Man, I'm jealous as fuck. You guys talking about Miami and here it's stuck, bro. I'm cool too. I'm not in Miami yet, bro. Trust me. Trust me. I'm cool to shit too. You see me? I'm in a hoodie and I got a blanket on. Short term, yes. Long term is stupid if you don't keep your bag up. What short term? I forgot what we were even talking about, honestly. Oh, what? Smoking? Yeah, if we're talking about smoking, yeah, it's true. Smoking's not a thing you should be doing every single day. But think about it. If you making money, $10 a week, that's like getting Chipotle. Think about it. It just all depends with your mindset with it. Smoking only becomes a bad habit if you let it and you don't do the right things when you smoke. Like I remember I used to smoke before I went to the gym. I rode my bike 3 miles yesterday. Another thing, if you smoke weed before bed, that's cool, but then you start needing it before you go to bed, which isn't a good thing. You start becoming dependent on it. It has its pros and cons for sure. But we was talking about Miami lifestyle. Yeah, long term, I don't think it depends. It's all up to you. Like me personally, I'm young. I'm only 19. So it wouldn't make sense for me to get a house and like live on the countryside. You know what I mean? I'd rather be in the city, more connections, more people. That's the way I look at it. And being in Miami, you're gonna meet a lot of rich people. It's gonna be very hard for you not to be motivated to make money when you're surrounded by millionaires. Shit, sometimes billionaires. Environment is key. That's why Miami is like one of the top 3 places for most happiest people. And shit, if I want to be happy, why not move to where majority of people are happy? Seems like common sense to me. Yeah, I'm going to see if price is going to reject this 38.20% and keep falling, or is it going to come to this 33,200 in the 62 to 79%. Make your mind up, fam. Nah, it's falling, or is it rejecting too? I don't know. I don't want it to flip into a continuation, but I'm not trying to just get out at break even at a point where there's more than likely going to be turbulence.
I'm sticking with the bias, bro. I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at because it has that order block it just created, so it might have to go fill it.
Yeah, I just don't want it to come back because right where it's likely to reject is where my entry is. So it's either I stay without break even and let it come up and potentially stop me out, or I break even and let it come up and stop me out, but potentially keep dropping afterwards. So it's like, I'm gonna leave it, but I need price to make up his mind. Do what they do. There's rejected. Now let's see if this is a long-term move though.
Rejected the 62%. Hey.
Yeah, come past TP1, fam. I got other TPs that need to be hit.
Not 62. There you go, Andre. Keep going. Don't be like that price.
Yeah, 15 minutes all looking good though. Previous 15-minute closed very bearish. This one looks like it was a retracement, so hopefully this one we can start clearing all these lows. We already cleared this low, so I'm gonna move it to this right here. Ideally want to clear these lows. And once we can do that, then we'll have a high likelihood of coming down to this. We got 33,000 right here, which is probably gonna have a lot of turbulence also. Only time was
33,000, big.
Yeah, not long term. It's probably gonna come for that 33,200.
It's 30 points away from it, probably.
So it's TP1, man. The environment is key. I need to get myself to America. It would be my #1 place to move to. Yeah, bro, there's a lot of opportunity out here. We're not the best, but we're not 100% free. But compared to a lot of other places in the world, it is way more opportunity for sure. Shit, make it a goal, bro. Stick to it and make it happen.
Oh, sweet. That's so nice. Okay.
Yeah, it's coming into it. Back to square one. I don't like how this is forming though. NAS is looking like it's gonna be a full reversal. Part of me just might get out at break even. Part of me doesn't. Cause the way this NAS is looking.
I'm gonna probably tie in my stop to right above that wick that it created at the open. Right above the 50%.
50%. This. Yeah, I don't like the way NAS is looking though. Like US30 still looks like it has a chance, but I don't like the way NAS is pushing like this. If NAS keeps pushing, then US30 has a higher chance of pushing. Which is not what I want to see. Cause this could easily turn into a wick still. But over here, this is looking like it's almost an engulfing. Come on, keep projecting. Stop reversing after TP1. Every time it doesn't. Every single time. this is a clean ass reverse point. Alright, taps into 62% now. Let's see, this is where we learn if we're going to be right or wrong. Price is either gonna fail to get above and just keep falling, or it's just gonna push right through these levels. One of the two options. It's already 10 o'clock, fam. Come on. This is like nothing. There, come on. I need to break these lows. Go past TP1. Until it passes TP1, this is just gonna think this trade's gonna be L. So hopefully we get past that. Yeah, 15 minutes just closed bullish. Not ideal. Not ideal. Honestly, I'm about to just get out at break even. Yeah, I'm getting out at break even. I don't think this is going to be playing out in my favor. So right here, this trade stopped at break even. I'll see what it does. I'll give it like 5 minutes. If I don't see another potential trade idea, then I'm not going to try to take anything else. Because I could easily still reject it, but this close extremely bullish. This 15-minute close extremely bullish. So I don't know. We'd have to get an engulfing already after creating a bullish engulfing, which I don't know how likely that's going to be. I'm going to watch it though. Alright. I'll think about getting a re-entry with a smaller stop. I'ma see. Oh, now you wanna drop, you motherfucker.
Hey, bro, it still has that bullish 15-minute closure.
Yeah, this is just looking like a retracement right now. It's only, candle's only been open 3 minutes. Could just be retract coming down to here to keep them higher. I don't know. It's looking like it might come all the way back down. I don't know how I feel about this though. There's a lot of consolidation in this area. If it starts breaking this low, then I'll think about hopping on NAS instead while NAS is still at these highs. But if not, then I'm still gonna stay out. That's okay, because I'm about to push above these highs. looking like. Oh, yep. Nice, push those highs. You say he's probably gonna push too. He's probably gonna clear this high, potentially this high. Just having a lot of volume coming. Yep, he's probably coming to these flip levels up there now. US 30, still in this area. I don't know, it's like iffy. I think if NAS comes into the 62%, starts rejecting and closing below 13,200, then we'll stop consolidating over here. So what I might do is I might have a similar situation. I might try to get back in at 33,200, just hold that 100-point stop loss, because now that NAS is coming, not even 100 points, I'll hold 70-point stop loss. Because now that NAS is slowly coming into the area where it could potentially start to reject, I think it would be a good potential trade idea if I get in over here. That's if we could get back into 33,200 area and prices doesn't melt from here. But I'm keeping in mind the hour. The hour just opened. It's already a big ass doji. 4 hour bullish, but it's rejecting. 30-minute doji. 15-minute bullish candle. 15-minute doji. 5-minute doji. Dang. I want to try to get at 33,200 though. If it just falls from here, I'm not gonna hop in. I'd rather hop in on NAS for all that. NAS, if I get at 62%, 100 points is too much for me personally. Yeah, it's just choppy. It probably will fall, but I want a good entry. I don't know if I should wait to short at 13,200 or 62%. If we start rejecting, I might try to get at 13,200 maybe with a 50-point stop. Yeah, I think that would be good if we reject it first, but right now everything's falling. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna come back up now. Oh. I want to see this tap to 62% though. This is like just leaving me unsure where it's gonna try and move since it's missing these key levels I wanted to hit. Yeah, US 30 is falling. I don't know. I kind of want to short NAS, but at the same time, I don't. 50 points. Alright, I'm gonna sell NAS in anticipation that if this keeps on falling like US 30, we should be good. It didn't tap the 62%, which is going to be risky. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be a risky setup right here. Going for it. But if it starts falling like US 30, then we should be good. Ideally. Let's see. US 30, hopefully you keep falling. NAS, stay below, please. Alright, let's see what happens. Hopefully we can get some momentum because I'm tired of fucking sitting here. This is the worst thing I hate about the trading. Sitting here when it's not doing nothing. God damn it, man. This is gonna be a long morning. It's already 9:10. 10:10, I mean. The 30's failing to break below these lows. Damn, no volume. Part of me just doesn't even want to be in these trades at this point now. God damn it, man. Now we're rejecting. Yeah, this consolidation is very annoying. I need US 30 to break these lows. I've been waiting for them to break since the market opened. An hour ago. If we could break these lows, then the likelihood that we'll keep going lower is going to be just way more likely. Yeah, US 30 would have been a good entry, but I don't like how it's consolidating here, so I'd rather be out than in. Nas, just move. Just move. There's US 30 coming lower. Oh, about time. Now it's rejecting again. Almost at TP1 on Nas. Come on, just keep on dropping, fam.
It'll happen. I think US 30 is setting the pace right now.
Shit,
After it just broke
you'd
that
be
low.
surprised how often they do opposites. Trust.
They're two different entities, huh?
One's technology and then the other one's just top 30 business stocks and shit. So they move similar because the dollar and the U.S. economy, but there's times where they just do total opposites.
Because of what US 30 just did, I'm gonna tighten up my stop loss from 100 points to 50 points.
Yeah, I'm only using 50. I was even using 100's too wide. You only get like a 1 to 2 if you're lucky. Damn, bro, move, fam. It's like whenever one wants to move, the other doesn't want to do shit. Yeah, what time is it? I'm giving it 3 minutes and I'm leaving. I'm gonna just let it run. Let me set a TP. Let's set a TP at around TP3. Where's TP3? Around 13,000, yeah.
Nice. Because of that little push above the Asian session high, I'm just gonna move my stop loss to break even because it's down 100 and.
But you're on US 30 still?
Yeah. Just gonna tighten that up.
Yeah, nah, you're being a bitch. I'm not gonna lie. US 30, I don't think it's gonna keep moving now anyway. It's just there's no volume. No volume whatsoever. This hasn't fucking moved in like 10 minutes.
That doji's forming though, bro. It's gonna be. I think it's just gonna be bearish for the rest of the day. It might not be a big move, but it'll go down to TP2, TP3 maybe.
Shit, maybe if that volume can ever kick in.
Yeah, it'll be an all-day fucking slow moment. So 10 hours, but. You ever mountain bike?
What?
You ever go mountain biking?
What do you mean? Like just go in the mountains with a bike?
Yeah.
Dirt? So what do you mean? Just like go riding on a mountain with a bike?
Yeah, bro. Like do some forest or
Nah,
some.
I don't got really mountains.
Shit. If you ever come out to Phoenix, bro, I got 3 mountain bikes.
Shit, it's cool. I'm gonna bring my bike, put that shit in my trunk, put it on the plane.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Got a couple tires in my backpack.
Spare.
Oh.
Yeah. That,
Shit, bro. Move. Damn it, bro. Like it's not even moving.
you're right.
This 1 minute time frame is literally just nothing. I'm gonna get a retracement before I get a fucking actual profit. Yeah, price is about to fucking retrace on me, bro. I'm about to just leave it, do what I gotta do, and go take my shower, guys. Honestly. It's just the best thing to do at this point, just let it run. Tired of watching this shit. But yeah, my TP's at 13,000, ideally, big figure level. That would be a cool 200 points that I can catch if this all plays out. Nah, not 200, it'll be 800. Yeah, we're probably gonna get this retracement. Is it? No, it's 200.
Yo, I'm not trying to get back anything, bro, and that's why I moved my TP to stop loss to break even, cause they had the second push down. So now if it come back the third time, I just fuck it.
Yeah, I'm just leaving it. I'm about to head off. I'm just let it run. If it stops me out, it stops me out. I broke even first trade. If this takes it out, then it is what it is. Should have just stayed in the first trade, but we'll see what happens. But like I said, price has no volume right now. Even US30, like I said, isn't even trying to drop yet. Best case scenarios is just having a retracement, and then once it comes up to these levels, it just drops. But I'm not gonna get out my trade. I'm not gonna break even. I'm just gonna let it go, just in case it wants to tap into 13,200 again. But overall, I think it's gonna keep falling. I'll set an alert. I'll set an alert below these lows. So when that breaks, and I have an alert when it breaks these highs. And I'm just leave it at that. Whatever happens, happens. I'm done for the day. After my TP1s get hit, everything just goes downhill, swear to God. But on that note, I'm going to end it off here. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Active and live every single morning. Make sure you join the Telegram if you haven't already. At 332 members, on the road to 400, then 500, then 1,000. So make sure you stay motivated by fear being average. I'm going to talk to you all tomorrow morning. We'll see. I'll keep the chat updated with the trade. So if you want to know what's happening with the trade, just make sure you join the Telegram. It's free. Link in the description. And Martin, you have anything to say?
Yeah, just no risk, no reward. So if you're not waking up early, guys, or practicing, or in demo not taking action, there's no way you're gonna get the reward. So just stay tapped in into the group chat, join Andre's Telegram group, guys, and follow him on Instagram because he gives good gems throughout the day about what it means to be in a positive mindset. So tap in, guys, every day.
But all right, appreciate it. All right, Martin, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, everyone, I'll see you guys.